From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
This is a beautiful question on Polygon. It says the interior angle of a regular polygon is the same as its exterior angle. Find the sum of the interior angles. A regular polygon is simply a polygon in which each sides are equal. We are asked to look for the sum of the interior angles. We know from the formula that the sum of interior angle is simply n minus 2 times 180. That is, if we can know the number of sides of this regular polygon, we can then find the sum of the interior angles. What do we know from polygon? We know that interior angle plus exterior angle gives 180 degrees. We know this from a polygon. Let's say we have a pentagon which is 5 sides. We know exactly that this exterior angle plus this interior angle should sum up to angle on a straight line, which is 180 degrees. That is how we got this. And so if we are told that the interior angle and the exterior angle are the same, let's say the interior angle is x, the exterior angle is also x, this sum up to 180 is 2x equals 180 degrees, and if we divide both sides by 2, we'll find that our x is 90 degrees. So this is the angle of the interior angle or the exterior angle. So this is the angle of each interior angle or each exterior angle, since both are the same. The next thing we want to do is to find the number of sides. We also know that one exterior angle is given by the formula 360 degrees over the number of sides. So if we are looking for n, we know that one exterior angle is 90 degrees. So this is 90 360 over n. And if we divide both sides by 90 and take n to this place, we'll have that n is 360 over 90. This is simply 4 sides. So we can see that the number of sides for this regular polygon in which the interior angle is the same as the exterior angle is 4 sides. Now back to our formula for finding the sum of the interior angles. Since we have gotten n as 4, will now be n minus 2, which is 2 times 180, and this will give us 360 degrees, which leaves us with C. Thank you for watching.